Hello everyone! So natay bagong product. This is from Hills Home Essentials and it is the scent of bold petal. So this is a room and linen spray. So ganahan mo muhumot ang inyong kwarto or pahumutan ninyo ang inyong mga linabhan, ang inyong mga kurtina. Pwede po rin siya sa CR guys. So this is very fragrant and if ganahan mo muhumot ang inyong palibot, tag 149 pesos ra ni siya. So nindot kayo lang spray kay naa siya lock. So if it's in the middle, lock siya. So dili siya mo spray. You can just open it by simply pulling this to the left or to the right. So mo na siya. So 1 or 2 sprays is already enough sa inyong room. Muhumot na dayon siya guys. So this is 120 ml and make sure you shake well before use. And spray na dayon mo. 1, 2, and then that would be enough for your room na to be fragrant for the whole day. So, you apply as needed lang yun siya. So, once again, from Hills Home Essentials, the Bold Petals Room and Linen Spray na tag 149 pesos. So, if you want to purchase, please message Hill Wash Laundry for your inquiries. Thank you so much!